Hey, it's Greg Luther. Listen, I'm just taking the family to dinner. I actually pulled over to tell you this. You're going to get some significant advanced access. You're going to be really excited about this. As I'm recording this, it is Friday evening, getting kind of late in the evening here. But there's something being launched tomorrow, and I wanted you to have early access to this. So literally, we're going to dinner, and I said, let me pull over. I got some people that follow us on Facebook. They're going to be really excited about this. If you've been following me for a while, you know that we've got a lot of our members with Greg Luther Inner Circle. These are coaching agents all around the country. They're real estate agents that I coach, and they're at all different levels. So some of these guys are like just starting out, trying to find their way, and there's other real estate agents that are doing extremely well, and they've implemented some of our stuff. Many of them are closing 10, 15, even 20 transactions a month. Well, what I do is twice a year, I get together with those real estate agents. It's a members-only event, a 2-day training at Greg Luther Live, what we call our coaching retreat. Our next one's coming up here, November 4th and 5th, and it's going to be in San Diego, California. So we're all flying out to San Diego, California. The reason that's important for you, and I'm giving you this advance notice on Friday night, you're going to be pretty excited about this. I've got 50 tickets that I've decided I'm going to sell to this event just to show you how damn good this is and what it's going to do for your real estate business. Here's how it's going to work. It's $377. You can get yourself a ticket to the Greg Luther Coaching Retreat. It's $377, one-time payment, and I'm actually going to give you membership to the Greg Luther Inner Circle Coaching for 30 days. So the key is you can get a ticket, you can rub elbows with some of the top agents in the country. We're going to be doing case studies. I'm going to be showing what everybody's doing in that in their marketplace and how they're making money. So I wanted to give everybody early access to this because there's only 50 seats available. I'm going to do an official marketing campaign on this tomorrow, and they will be gone immediately. So again, being Friday night, I'm literally on the way to dinner here. I said, let me pull over and at least let the guys on Facebook here know. If you go to greglutherlive.com, we literally just put that website up 5 minutes ago. If you look, the domain name was just registered today. So those 50 seats will be snapped up immediately. We're all flying in from all over the United States, going to San Diego, California. I'm coming from Ohio. There'll be people from Maine and Connecticut and New Jersey and Florida, all the way over to San Diego, California. 3 or 4 hour flight so you can actually fix your real estate business. So anyway, go to greglutherlive.com. It's just a quick advance notice for you if you see this in time, because they do officially go on tomorrow. But my team said, hey, we got the site together tonight. I said, let me notify some folks on it. So if you are, here's the question for you. If you actually want to learn what top producers are doing so that you can copy it yourself without spending a bunch of money on marketing, this is the event that will allow you to do it. So grab your spot for it if you are interested. If not, no big deal, but wanted to give you advance notice so you can't say you missed out. greglutherlive.com. Hopefully I'll see you there. You'll see a quick little video there that'll tell you more about the details. San Diego, November 4th and 5th. So check it out. And we'll talk soon. Have a profitable weekend, and bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do 2 important things. It's both totally free. Number 1, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.